Event 201 Planning vs. Patent Chip Contract Process Numerology vs. Occult Dates Breakdown. In Masonic Occultic Numerology, alphabetically 3 equals C, 7 equals G, 11 equals K, 13 equals M. Their numbers are 3, 7, 11, 13, and multiples of them. 3 times 7 equals 21, 3 times 11 equals 33, 3 times 13 equals 39. Bill Gates' logo for Microsoft has 7 dots in each row, and you can also sometimes see an 11 and 13, but you can always see a 33. He got as many of them in there as he could. You need to understand the history of Bill Gates. He is a manipulator, a monopolizing, cutthroat businessman. He is and always was an avid salesman. If it wasn't him, it would be one of his henchmen. He has been planting a seed in your head since he first started talking about vaccines, promoting and displaying their benefits. Here I will evaluate when the Event 201 planning and the patent chip contract process came to be, with a history timeline. First, on May the 18th, 2018, a pandemic simulation was scripted.
Welcome to the Johns Hopkins Health Security Exercise, Clade X.
126 days later, start of spring to the end of summer. On September the 21st, 2018, coincidentally, it is the United Nations International Day of Peace, they refer to as the most important day of the year. The same day a patent was created for priority data for cryptochip priority data, to connect with ID 2020, and Gavi. Remember, Bill Gates endorsed into all these programs, with the help of the British and global elite. 272 days later, start of fall to middle of summer. The filing date was done for cryptochip priority data June the 20th, 2019. Then came Event 201, on November the 4th, 2019 pandemic simulation, 137 days later. If we add both 126 and 137 we get 263. There were 272 days in between. 1,2 and 6 adds to 9, 1,3 and 7 adds to 11. 2,6 and 3 adds to 11. 2,7 and 2 adds to 11. If you take 137 minus 126 you get 11. If you take 272 minus 263 you get 9. This isn't a coincidence.